Good morning, my hardworking wife.
Morning.
I was thinking, maybe you should take today off. Just rest.
I have work to do.
Work that keeps stressing you. I don't like seeing you like that. I got this for you.
Why?
Do I need a reason to spoil my wife?
It's nice.
I know you've been feeling down. I just want you happy.
Tunde, do you think I've changed?
In what way?
I don't know. I feel smaller.
You're imagining things.
I used to be confident.
You're still confident, you just listen more now. That's growth.
I got an invitation today. Another business meeting.
That's good.
But I don't know if I should go.
What do you think?
Maybe I should stay home.
If that's what makes you peaceful.
I don't want to disappoint you.
You never could.
Promise me something.
Anything.
If I'm holding myself back, you'll tell me.
Of course.